Hi, Matt. This is I just tied them up there so you could see how this would be. The width is not right on that door, but you can get an idea of where the masonry heater is going to go. It's going to be tight. Everything's going to be tight in there. But anyway, the long sill, the long one goes under. The short one comes over at this lap joint in the corner. That way, this pallet comes across and it's knit together that way, and this one comes short. I wanted you to see that. Now, as I say, that looks right there. But over here, I don't, I have to still work on this. I'll do better, I think, to go to the other building to show you. But this, I tied it up, and it would be right, except that the width is not right. Let's go up to this building, which I also moved, and it's further along, really. This is right. The corner is right. Wait a minute. No, this is not right, because see, this comes over and that goes under, and that way the pallets do not knit. So this is not right. The other one was right, but there's 3 full pallets there that give up produce the 12 foot. So remember, this sill is upside down. I thought I knew what I was doing, but I didn't. This distance is right, and I let why I did that was because I wanted the lower piece of the sill to run the whole way through, but that's not as important as knitting the corners. So this would be a mistake. Now that distance right here is 38 inches. Well, it would be from, I cut that a little bit short, but it would be 38. That's how wide the doors are. And there's the 2 doors. This building is going to be identical to the other one. Now on this one, I've got let me go up around. I've got the rail, the first board of the rail laying on there. And see, yeah, it's right, because this comes across and knits. So that's right. I didn't nail these down yet, but they will go in the second board on the rail. There'll be the corner cupboards framed in, but that's probably too long. I don't know. It's got to go from here over to here too as well. But this is what's more important. So let me just see what that length was, because I think I calculated that and came up with what I wanted it to be. So to long point. Long point is 41, and I think that's probably right. You could use that. All right. Let's see. Well, another thing to show you is that here, this 8-foot board is centered, and then I put a short piece here and a short piece there. I did that because I wanted the board to go across the 2 pallets, and the same thing over there. And one board wasn't going to make it anyway. All right, let's see. On the bottom, I didn't really quite do the same thing on the sill on the bottom, but I don't know. You can look back and see how I did that one. 8 foot is there wasn't the same reason I felt on the bottom to, here, let's just look at this. No, what I did here on the bottom was I used 8 foot and then finished it out. This is not centered. And on the underside, I did the same thing, 8 foot, and then I finished it out with that board. All right, that's enough to think about. Bye for now.